Hey guys, welcome back to my GIS tutorial after a long break. So today I will discuss about GIS Analyst. What is a GIS Analyst and what kind of work does it do? So let's start our topic. But before that, I must tell you all that I am working as a GIS Analyst in my own state, Assam. The meaning of GIS Analyst is hidden in the word itself, that is GIS. We all know it's Geographic Information System or Geoscience or Geoinformatics, and analyst means to analyze the data given. Now, if you all ask me then what kind of data we have to analyze in GIS Analyst, it can be any kind of data like spatial data. Spatial meaning is SPATIAL. It's not spatial, it's spatial data or GIS data. But to become a GIS analyst, you need to have a good GIS knowledge, especially in geography first, then cartography, remote sensing, GPS, and some basic computer knowledge. And if someone knows a programming language, then it will be more perfect. To get a GIS degree, I think I have made some previous videos about this topic, so you all can check my previous videos in my playlist. Again, coming back to my topic, it would be more easier if I speak about my designation, that is GIS Analyst, what kind of work I do, so that you all can easily understand what GIS Analyst is. But at first I would like to say that not GIS Analyst works the same, because it depends on the work given, like the data it would be different based on different projects. Like my project is different, so it will be a different work or different kind of work or different kind of analysis I will do. I am working on a master plan city project in Assam, where I have been given to work as GIS analyst. As you all know, the GIS means to make maps, lots and lots of maps, like large scale, small scale, land use, land cover maps, thematic maps, transportation maps, etc. Any kind of maps. So I'm making all this kind of maps. I will show you all some glimpses what kind of work I am doing right now. Let's check it out. Right now I am working on some cadastral work where the village cadastral data has been given to me. Now I have to check the village boundaries, it's in correct position or not. If it got overlapped or any dispersed, then I have to work on spatial adjustment on each polygons we have, or we can reshape the polygon. After doing it, I have clipped the area in according to our master plan boundary and add to our proposed map. One more map I can show you all. This is a working non-working population map. The total population and total working population has given to me. I have took out the areas in square kilometer. Then with the help of area and total population, I have took out the population density and also the working density here. And we all should keep in mind the coordinate system should be correct, otherwise the data will not show in accurate position. In my work, I don't have to go to surveys like to take those raw data. My work is to analyze the raw data given and to export it. The raw data that are given to me, at first I have to check either I can work on those raw data or not. Like for an example, I have to check if it's in good position, then bravo, I can start my anal, anal, analytical part. And if some data are error, then I have to find some different way to get those data. Well, talking about softwares, I would like to say that what kind of softwares I am using right now. Right now I am using ArcGIS software, QGIS, Google Art. Currently for my work I am using these softwares. I have to use Google Art obviously for basic location purposes, sometimes to get contour lines, Well, most frequently I use it whether our data is in correct position or not, the area names are correct or not, what are the correct landmarks in the given area. And sometimes I have to go to Google Map to search those landmarks, because we all know Google Earth shows a satellite imagery color. So for more detail, I have to shift to Google Map. Now coming to the GIS software, from where shall I start? First point is that the map you are making, it should be perfect from each and every side, needs to be attractive, understandable, and the most important thing is that a normal person can understand what kind of map you are showing it. The colors should be perfect, the data taken should be correct as in comparison to our ground level. The symbols showing should be meaningful. The legends should be in proper scale. The title, the subtitle, everything should be perfect, as we are making master plan map, not a normal map. So for making a map, your mind should be very creative and practically active, and the shortcut methods plays an important role here. For an example, from digitizing, georeferencing to cut polygon, spatial adjustment, to add any objects in your map, you should be super fast. Your hands should be very fast while making your map. And plus, concentration is your plus point. If your concentration fails, then your whole map will show an error. So this is my working experience till date. If someone needs some kind of information about GIS or GIS analyst, then you all can comment me in my comment section down below, or else you can go to my Instagram profile and you can DM me there. That's all for today, so I will end up now. So see you all guys in my next video. Bye bye.